Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about prepping bleach. All right, so bleach is one of those, what's the word I'm looking for here? Double-edged swords. Bleach has a lot of useful purposes and stuff ways to use it to help you out and everything else. But if used wrong, it can come back and bite you like a rattlesnake. All right. So when you're storing bleach, probably the number one mistake that people make is they get scented bleach. That there limits its usability. All right. What you want to get is unscented bleach, and you can get it in nice gallon jugs here. And of course, with some of these here, they come with all sorts of uses here listed on it, and the amounts you can concentrate to use it for whatever particular task you're using it for. Now, bleach does have a bit of a shelf life. And if you're looking for long term, another way to do it, and I caution you on this, another way to do it is to get the powder. And then what you do is you mix the powders together and you do it. So I'm going to list off what it says here. So what is bleach? Household bleach is actually a mixture of chemicals. The main constituent is a solution of around about 3 to 6% sodium hydrochloride. That's NaOCl, which is mixed with small amounts of sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide, and calcium hydrochloride. All right. So right there tells me, wait a minute, man, if I'm going to make this all on my own, I need to make sure I get an exact recipe of exactly how much of this, how much of that, and how much of this do I mix to make a gallon's worth. And so if you're thinking about doing long-term storage of the powder stuff, that's what you need to do. If you have that formula written down in several places, so in case one copy gets destroyed, you still have several others. All right. So bleach is a high corrosive. It'll start eating human flesh, or should I say, start dissolving it. You ever got bleach in your hands that goes, oh, my finger's all slick and oh, weird. Yes, it's taking effect on your skin and the nerve endings in your fingers. So, but bleach is very important for sterilizing things and sanitizing things. So if you're going to store it, you got to make the choice whether you want to store liquid or powders and make it yourself. So do your research. Come to a conclusion about what's going to work best for you and your family, and then move on from there. All right? So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, sanitary needs, and of course, skills. Why? This is why.